Hello friends, I am Professor Praful Shinkar, working as an assistant professor in Department of Civil Engineering at Sandeep Foundations, Sandeep Institute of Technology and Research Center. We are very fortunate enough that we have got the approval to work as a coordinating institute under the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. What is Unnat Bharat Abhiyan? Unnat Bharat Abhiyan is an initiative which has been launched by Ministry of Human Resource Development, MHRD, New Delhi, with the coordination of IIT Delhi, and they have launched this program in view to develop the villages by involving the technology of institutions. So UBSL is working to develop the villages. We have adopted 6 nearby villages named Vasari, Mahiravani, Zategaon, Belgaon Dhaga, Tadegaon and Sirasgaon. The main objective to adopt these villages to leverage the technologies in these villages, so that by using this technology the villages will get developed. That is the main objective behind this. Our 40 plus students, they have already enrolled in this program. They are working as in volunteers. They are going to the villages, they are interacting with the students. Under this Unnat Bharat Abhiyan cell, 40 plus students of Civil Engineering department and 50 plus students of other departments, they have already enrolled in this program, and they are going into the villages. They are interacting with the villagers and they are finding out the problems, what problems, ground problems they are facing, and students are working on that. It's a very great opportunity for the students to interact with the villagers and to work on the practical field, on the ground reality. Students can deploy their projects, their innovations, their research, so that they can help the villagers and they can help the village development. And for this, Ministry of Human Resource Development and Government of India, they are providing the funding, so that students will be able to use that fund and they can deploy their research and technologies to develop the villages. So that is the basic idea behind the inception of this great initiative which has been undertaken by Government of India. And right now Indian Institute of Technology Delhi, IIT Delhi is the main coordinating institute, and Sandeep Foundations, Sandeep Institute of Technology and Research Center, working as a regional coordinating institute. So we are very fortunate enough to have such kind of program in our institute. By following this program, students can highlight on the front of AICTE, they can get highlighted, they can get rewards from the AICTE and Government of India, and Government of Maharashtra is also supporting this initiative. So it's a very great opportunity for the students to learn a lot, and they can definitely deploy their projects, their research on the villages. For this program, funding has been provided by the Government of India to deploy the projects in the villages. So the funding is not the constraint. The main objective, I have already stated that. So Government of India is focusing on that. So under this program, under this great initiative, students can take the advantage, students can participate. They can also receive the funding from the government, and that is all about the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan cell of Sandeep Foundations, Sandeep Institute of Technology and Research Center. Thank you.